But the next movement we're going to look at is the clean. So a lot of the time when people clean, you'll see them drive their hips through, but rather than waiting for the bell to get light so that they can manipulate it, they'll start and they'll try and lawnmower it. They'll kind of use their shoulder, and then the body kind of discos under. So what you want to do when you swing, when you clean, is you're going to snap your hips, you're going to lock, and then from here you pull your elbow back and rip through. All right. My body hits that same plank that we found with the swing and the press, and then from here, as the bell becomes weightless, I just pull and punch. Okay. So setting up, long spine, pull, snap, and yeah, it's pretty quick. Okay. Now I have a feeling that the second one of those may have had a little bit of the disco that I was complaining about. So check it again if you think that it might be there.